Hello, today I have a new video for Techscrew DIY School playlist. I will show you how to use a plastic welder gun to repel broken plastic on headphones. Most of the time I have shown you how to fix broken headphones using super glue and baking soda, which creates instant cement. In 70% of cases this is strong enough to fix your headphones so they don't break again, but sometimes headphones are so damaged that they need extra support. The best way to fix this is by melting extra reinforcements into the damaged plastic using a plastic welder gun. This simple tool can repair not just broken headphones but any plastic, like your grandma's fridge drawers. Fixing just one pair of headphones, you can cover the cost of the tool, and it will last you for years. Steps to repair headphones with a plastic welder. First, set up the headphones so the broken pieces fit back together as they originally were. Pick a clamp, the metal reinforcement that fits the plastic best. Use the plastic welder to carefully melt the clamp into the broken plastic. Be careful not to melt it too deep, as it could betray the plastic or damage any internal wires. Once the clamp is in place, release the heating button on the welder. Wait for the plastic and clamp to cool and harden before removing the welder. Add more clamps until the damaged plastic is sturdy and fixed. Cut off any extra parts of the clamps and smooth the surface with a metal file. For extra durability, apply super glue to the seams. You can also use baking soda trick to create instant cement. Once dry, smooth it again with a file for a better look finish. To make it look better, cover the repair with nail polish or tape. I hope this video gives you the confidence to try using a plastic welder machine to fix broken plastic or headphones. If you have any tips or questions, feel free to write them in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. Thank you and good luck.